Good day everyone, and welcome to another Beyond Spaces Philippines house tour. Today, we are here in Italian-inspired community located in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Let's find out why this place is perfect for your family. Everything you need is within the vicinity. Just across the village, you have lifestyle malls. It is also near hospital and schools. How cool is that? Now let's check out this Italian-inspired model house. While this house is not for sale, this will serve as inspiration for our future homeowners. We have both lot-only and house and lot packages available to cater buyers' needs. From your two-vehicle carport, this opening will lead you to your backyard. As you can see, you have here a spacious outer space. Back here at the main door, let's go inside. As you enter, you will be greeted by your living and dining area. The light coming from windows is too bright. We had to adjust the brightness of our clips. This is your main kitchen. A full kitchen equipped to support your daily needs. We are now heading to utility area. You also have access to your backyard using this door. And this door will lead you to your staff's room with ensuite, toilet and bath. From your service area, let's now move to your bedroom number 1. Spacious enough to fit a queen-size bed, and it has ensuite toilet and bath. Beside bedroom number 1, you have your powder room. Moving to the second floor, let's go to your spacious balcony right away. You get to enjoy a peaceful environment that most Manileños are looking for. Let's quickly check out bedroom number 2. Ideal for kids' room with this single bed. The view outside is all greenery. From bedroom number 2, you have your common toilet and bath. This is your bedroom number 3. Let's now check out your master bedroom. You have storage on the right side and toilet and bath on the left. There you have it. That's a quick look at this Italian-inspired home. If you want to see this in person, contact us and we will arrange viewing for you. This place is perfect for your family. Amenities include clubhouse, basketball court, swimming pool, central park, and children's playground. Check out the description box for more details. Before I let you go, please don't forget to click subscribe to our YouTube channel, Beyond Spaces Philippines. And if you want to list your property with us, just drop us an email at beyondspacesph@gmail.com. So, there you have it guys. My name is Ali and I hope to see you on our next house tour.